going to discuss about the industrial production, estimation, and utilization of atropine. Biological source of datura is dried leaves and flowering tops of Atropa belladonna, Datura metal, Datura stramonium, and Hyoscyamus niger. All these four various genus and species comes under the family of Solanaceae. So from these four plants, we are getting the atropine. That is why we are seeing. So these are the four plants of four different plants from which we are getting the atropine. Now, let us see the properties of atropine. Melting point of atropine is 115 to 116 degrees Celsius. Molecular formula C17H23NO3. On hydrolysis, it gives alcohol, tropine, and tropic acid, which indicates that atropine is an ester. It is optically inactive and it is a racemate form of hyoscyamin. Solubility, it is insoluble in ether, easily soluble in chloroform alcohol, and sparingly soluble in water. So the structure is represented here for the reference. Now let us see the isolation of atropine. There are two methods. From method 1, the isolation of atropine. The powdered drug or the fresh juice is moistened with aqueous solution of potassium carbonate. Then extract with chloroform, evaporate the solvent, then extract with dilute sulfuric acid, then acidify it, made alkaline. The acidified extract is made alkaline by potassium carbonate. We get the precipitate of atropine, which is then crystallized by alcohol. Method 2, isolation of atropine, is powdered drug is extracted with 95% alcohol using Soxhlet apparatus by hot continuous percolation method. Then ethanol extract is concentrated. Then to that you have to add dilute hydrochloric acid and filter it. Then it is extracted with petroleum ether to remove the impurities. Then the aqueous solution is made alkaline with ammonia. Then it is extracted with chloroform thrice. Combine all the chloroform layer, evaporate the chloroform layer under vacuum, and the extract is then treated with dilute oxalic acid, and finally it get crystallized. We get the crystals of atropine. It is identified by two chemical tests mainly. Vitelli-Morin's test. It is a classical, it is a main identification test for the tropane alkalides. Alkalide or the atropine is treated with a drop of sulfuric acid and it is evaporated to dryness. Then the residue is dissolved with 0.3 ml of 3% solution of potassium hydroxide in methyl alcohol. We get the bright purple color due to the presence of atropine, which has propane ring in it. The next test for atropine is an addition of silver nitrate solution to the solution of hyoscine hydrochloride gives yellowish white precipitate, which is insoluble in nitric acid, soluble in dilute ammonia. Now let us discuss about the chromatographic method for the determination for the atropine. Stationary phase, silica gel G, mobile phase, strong ammonia solution, and methanol 1 is to 5, 1.5 is to 100. It is detected by acidified iodoplatinate solution and it gives the RF value of 0.18. The another method also there available for atropine estimation by TLC. If you are using the mobile phase acetone 0.5 m sodium chloride detecting agent, drag and drop reagent, we get the RF value of 0.7 for atropine. Then The estimation by GCMS method, zero point 0.5 ml of drug solution is treated with 1 ml of borate solution. It is 0.1 m with a pH 9.3 are placed in the test tube, mix well and pour into the column. After 15 minutes, compound is eluted with 4 ml of dichloromethane. Elute is evaporated to dryness under nitrogen condition. The residue mixed with 50 microliter of trimethyl trifluoroacetamide or trimethyl fluorosilane in 99 is to 1 ratio, and it is warmed at 40 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. The resulting solution mixed with 100 microliter of dichloromethane, and then it is injected in GCMS, injected for GCMS analysis for further study. Utilization of atropine is mainly it exhibits parasympatholytic with anticholinergic and CNS depressant activity, mainly to dilate the pupil it is used, and it is also used in cerebral excitement and in the treatment of asthma and in cough, since it is an antispasmodic agent. Few marketed products are available with atropine, and atropine eye drops also available in the market. So with this note, we are concluding the industrial production estimation and the utilization of atropine. Thank you.